Traditionally, every April, we get rain, and March in some places. Every August, we get rain. Every December, we get short rains. But nowadays, there is not that formula. You will only manage to get showers possibly 2 years. After 2 years, showers, not rain.
Tani getting it like naked. Sang a bike. Run local lot of handle. Can you like run? The Rakaran am talking a mother. When you are leaping.
This lake water to us, especially who live around the lake, mean everything. There is no fish nowadays. The fish need deep water where they can get cool climate. So they move up there. So that's where we go and get fish. When rain drops somewhere, all of them go there, and others, they don't want others to come to their side. So they kill each other because of grass and water. Yeah.
Lebang. You pay bare benara ya chambakang. Ya chambakang. Ni barin. Ni barin ya make. Ya si woni nga siara ya chambakang ne. Kanan. Kanan. Na pay ko lo munia alo abuni. Abuni na kwa pana. Ketana na nga siara kanuni. Nga siara ya chambakang. Anan, kan baren, lo atengit. Kadema to kana ibarenge are ing baren. Ibarenge are. Au mer anan. Ane ama maruto kisiko lo ngwali, aruto ko la anam tene ani ko lo ngaye. Ni yene ato marikani de ye ne ado di akiru. Akiru. Borobo gito yara itunguna ni pe ni dongit. Ni dongit au meere ngutunga lukwala lo khari klasi ko lo mama kwari lo khadu pakana kade may korot kade may paronit ngutunga topia ngevi tanikin to lo khari to koy berbe ngu paronit kane amasali ngmarile to kona angopane ayarari aruto ku kwalo gwarobo todoloi kere kabala kayene bala zirikale kayene ne katamun to zirikale atamari botodolo ya kiru botodolo ya anan
In the case of the lake, I blame the Ethiopian government for blocking the Omo River, because that's what has led to the reduction of the lake. Secondly, for the rain, possibly we will blame the bigger industries in some countries there in the Western world, because I think the impact of their factories are the one which have contributed to the climate change. They one say, "They're down Kwana." it will never end like a lake. That is what our people usually say. Yani, when you want to say this thing cannot finish, it's just like Lake Turkana. But the way the lake is moving, I think that idiom will lose meaning.
La queen and Billy Meba.